you won't get a job. If you miss this video, looking for jobs, sent your resume to hundreds of companies but not getting interview call. This is because your resume screened by AI. But don't worry. I am here to help you. Hello dear friend. In this tutorial I am going to solve one of the biggest hurdle of making resume. After completion of graduation or working of a company, many of the candidates were unable to create an attractive and eye-catching resume. Although they have great skill set and experience, due to bad resume they were rejected. In the era of artificial intelligence the resume screenings is done by AI, so only best match resume will get chance of interview and selection. Therefore without wasting time let's learn building an excellent resume with the help of Gemini Resume. Gemini Resume provide easy and excellent resume building services powered with AI tools. It is trusted by professionals from reputed companies like Microsoft, Audi, Amazon, Express. It is powerful and resume optimization done using AI tools. It also provide LinkedIn summary generator. Let's see how to create a powerful resume. First click on Build Resume option at home screen. You can upload old resume in PDF format. Or choose to write a new one by entering your details. Then choose the suitable template among the classic, photo and modern resume templates. Enter your details such as personal, contact, educational, experience and most importantly skill set. Gemini have previously built skill set, you can choose among them. After entering all the details proceed to build resume by clicking on next button. Then log in using your Google account and preview your resume. At this stage you can preview and modify resume if required. Also the theme and style can be changed with one click. Congratulations, you have created a super resume which will easily be picked up by AI resume screening at company HR automation. You can also get paid AI service if required.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more such informative videos. Like, share and subscribe.